What's up, everyone? Welcome into Wheelhouse. I'm your host, Erin Roney. You see me all the time. You should know this by now, hopefully. Anyway, we've got a Wheelhouse football thing going on for you today. Our two teams, we have Chargers versus Titans. Moo playing for the Chargers, Eldon playing for our Titans. So big thanks to both our players in today's event. This is a little bit about how you play. So if you joined early, we asked you some questions about what you think is going to happen throughout the event. During the event, we're going to ask you questions about the first and the second half. We're going to quiz you on that first half as well. We've got a Wheelhouse football event going on for you. We have Browns versus Saints. Moo playing for the Browns, and we have Scary Perry playing for the Saints. Probably my favorite name to date right now, Scary Perry. We'll move into half two predictions. Fun fact for you, the Falcons mascot was in fact a live falcon for the first 15 seasons. However, at a practice in 66, the falcon got loose. They were able to locate that falcon later on at a Kraft food plant nearby. Just the more you know. Remember, use those boosters to answer those questions. They're going to help your score. You want a prize. Boosters will help you get there, especially if you're using them and you get a question right. Make sure you are paying attention. I've said it a lot. I'm going to keep saying it because I know there's going to be someone who doesn't. Keep in mind, going into post-event, that's our last round of questions, and that could be a make or break point for you in terms of walking away with a prize. So, good luck to everyone. Let's go ahead and send it into the game. Okay, 10 seconds left to answer halftime questions. We know that was a little bit of a shorter section. That's just because you had 4 questions you need to answer. Then we'll give some time for those results to move on through, and then we'll get to our second half. Of course, anyone 13 and up can play. Today's menu, we are serving up Rocket League with Whiffers versus Mambas. This is how you're going to play. You join the event early. We asked you some questions about what you think is going to happen throughout the event. Then my voice coming up to remind you, you've got 10 seconds left on the clock to get your questions answered, and then we're sending it over to the first half. Make sure you're taking notes. It's going to be important when it comes to halftime, of course, happening right after this first half. We would love for you to follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, everywhere. We're there. Give us a follow. We'll be posting important announcements as well as schedules there. Questions coming up right after this, so keep that in mind. With that being said, I don't want to waste any more of your time. Let's go ahead and go live with our second half. We'll see you on the other side.